guys, my name is Welvin, and today I will teach you the theories on the origin of the universe. Knowing the theories of the origin, in this lesson we will know some of the theories that are believed by humans on how the universe started. In this lesson we will have four of the some of the theories. The first is theory of creation, the next is Big Bang theory, next is steady state theory, and the last one is oscillating theory. So let's proceed to the first theory, the theory of creation. What is creation theory? The creation theory, particularly the biblical creation, was based on the Bible as described in Genesis, where it is believed that God created the universe and everything in it. We humans believe that our God created our universe, and as humans, as well as all the living creatures in Earth, in the in only span of 6 days, and he the and based on this theory, the creator did not need matter, large amounts of time, energy, or anything else. This theory opposes the belief that the world just happened through an extended naturalistic and chance process over many billions of years. In addition, biblical creationists do not view the Bible or the book of Genesis as a mythological or allegorical document. They believe that everything that is written on the Bible is true and really happened in the past years or in the time that it is written by the writer or the apostles. They believe that what actually happened and um, the document that records what actually happened is really the only true and happened in that time. Okay, the next theory is the Big Bang. The Big Bang is how astronomers explain the way the universe began. It is the idea that the universe began as just a single point, then expanded and stretched to grow as large as it is right now, and it is still stretching. The Big Bang theory explains how the cosmos expanded from a highly dense and hot starting condition. It is the most popular cosmological theory that describes how the universe has changed over time, from the earliest known eras to its later large-scale shape. In short, the Big Bang theory proposes that the universe's present and past matter both originated at the same moment around 13.8 billion years ago. In 1927, an astronomer named Georges Lemaitre had a big idea. He said that a very long time ago, the universe started as just a single point. He said that the universe stretched and expanded to get as big as it is now, and that it could keep on stretching. Lemaitre is a Belgian cosmologist, Catholic priest, and is known as the father of the Big Bang theory. The misconceptions about the Big Bang theory is that the most misunderstanding regarding the Big Bang theory is that it gives the complete origin of the universe, but it does not describe the energy, time, and space involved in the creation of the universe. The Big Bang states that the universe began to cool down sufficiently in order to allow the formation of particles that would later become atoms after its initial phase of expansion. Primordial elements, hydrogen, helium, and deuterium, condense through gravity that form early stars and galaxies. Just 2 years later, an astronomer named Edwin Hubble noticed that other galaxies were moving away from us. Um, he noticed what Georges Lemaitre noticed before, and he supported that what Georges said was all true and really happened. Um, okay, the next one is the theory of the steady state. It is an elegant alternative to Big Bang theory, describes the origin of the universe and its ultimate fate. It is very popular in the 1950s, but is now obsolete. Um, Before that, let's uh, discuss who proposed the study theory. It is proposed by these three men: Sir Herman Bondi, Thomas Gold, and Fred Hall. Steady state theory in cosmology, a view that the universe is always expanding but maintaining a constant average density. with matter being continuously created to form new stars and galaxies at the same rate, that old ones become unobservable as a consequence of their increasing distance and velocity of recession. What is a steady state? According to the theory, the universe is the same everywhere and for all time. This means that as the universe expands, new matter would have to be created to balance this expansion, the theory of an eternal. It was further developed by Hall to deal with problems that had arisen in connection with the alternative Big Bang hypothesis. Observations since the 1950s, most notably those of the cosmic microwave background which was predicted by the Big Bang model, have produced much evidence contradictory to the steady-state picture and have led scientists to overwhelmingly support the Big Bang model. Okay, the last one is the theory of oscillating. Richard C. Tolman, American physicist, was an American who made numerous contributions to statistical mechanics. He was also a physical chemist, mathematician, and a physicist. What is oscillating theory? Tolman is credited with creating the oscillatory universe theory, which he thought would result from the Big Bang. Oscillating universe theory, also referred to as the pulsating theory, discusses that the universe is expanding and will contract once all the energy after the Big Bang is used up. This theory proposed by Richard Tolman can be described as the combination of the Big Bang and the Big Crunch. In other words, our universe could be the first in a series of universes, or it could be the latter of in the series. And with that, it is now all discussed and finished. Thank you for listening and